Hello everyone, welcome to Mike Muse's Megazords. Today's video is issue 100 of the Altaya Megazord build, and we're going to start the final 21 issues, going into the completion of the Tyrannozord. So, let's get rid of our packaging, do our parts check, and then let's get started. So we've got lots of bits on this assembly. Looks like they're stacked on top of each other, so let's move these out of the way. Right then, so part 100.1 is left side protection of the tail of the Tyrannozord on section 4, which is, spin these round, so 100.1. 100.2 is the right hand side of section 4. 100.3 is section 3 of the tail. 100.4 is the other side of section 3. I think those two might be the other way around, don't know. 100.5, we have got the little connector piece where this will sit in the clip-on Mastodon when the tail folds up in Megazord mode. 100.6 and 0.7, we've got the two tail tip pieces here. 100.8 and 100.9 is section 2 of the tail, or section 5 here it's called. So what have we got? 5? No, it is right, so 5, 4, 3, and then the 2 and 1 will be in a future issue. Okay, good. 100.10 decoration for the left of the tail, 100.11 decoration for the right of the tail, 100.12 again left and right decorations, which will be for these two sections here. 100.14 is in here somewhere. He says. Aha, there we go, it was hiding. Which I'm assuming is the very, very tip of the tail. So we'll put that over there with the hardware pack. Those are all the bits there. And then finally the hardware for this is 3 + 1 spare 2.3 by 6mm screws. Good, so our parts are all there. Let's just undo this, put them there. So over the page we go, and let's get started. So, section A, sorry, we're going to take our two tail tip sections, 100.7, 100.8, sorry, 6, and the very tip of the tail, 100.14, and put those together. Let's put that down for a second. So, tail tip goes in there, and then we've got two connection posts to line up with two connection ports. And that goes together like that. So that's section A done. On to section B. We're going to take our second section here, so these will be section 5 of the tail, 108, 109. And these will fit. Let's see how this is lined up. So if we've got the cutout section here facing us, we're going to need these connection posts here and here. We'll go into these connection ports here and here, and we're going to do that with the hinge point for the tail facing down relative to the cutout section here. So these should just press into place. There's one. And if we line these up again, we've got 4 connection posts onto 4 connection ports. So make sure everything's lined up nice and neatly. Helps if you get it the right way around, Michael. And then press that into place. And then what we're going to do is secure that in place with one of our little machine screws through this hole here. So let's drop that into place. Okay. So you can see we've got a nice bit of friction on the tail there. So fully posable. Okay. Section B done, on to section C. So we're going to do the same thing again, this time with 100.2, 100.1, which are these 2 sections down here. And we want to make sure that we've got our hinge clip for when the tail folds down completely at the right angle. And we also want to make sure that we've got our clip that secures the tail to the back of Mastodon goes into place here. So we'll line this up first of all here. Drop our connection. Of course it flips around, doesn't it? Yeah, so the instructions are saying to put it with the clip facing inwards, which is what we do in Tyrannozord mode. So once that's all lined up, again you've got connection post and 4 connection ports, and then this one here lines up to the clip here. So press that into place, like so, and then once again we're going to secure it with a screw in the centre. Looks like the plastic here is a little bit discoloured, but that's fine. So you can see we've got this range of movement here. This rotates around to here, and then this section needs a little bit of a push for you to get a fingernail. Just very gently do that, and you can see that rotates around like that. So this will be your clip in Megazord mode. So let's put that back for the moment. And that is section C done. We're going on to section E. And we're going to take our last 2 sections here, and once again these will press into place. How are we doing this orientation wise? This is L3. This is R3. So this is 100.3, which is going to go on the top here, like that, and 100.4 on the bottom. So again, line up all of your connection ports posts, press that into place, and one last machine screw. Oh, this one's got a ratchet on it. That's cool. Right, section D done. Down to section E, we're going to take our 100.10, our detailing piece for the tip of the tail, and press that into place. Should line up. There's one. And two. And then 100.12, which is, let's remind ourselves, 100.12 decoration plan, which is left. Yes, left. And that will drop into place here. Very nice. Section E done, over the page. And the final part is to flip the tail over and do the same thing with our last two remaining pieces. So we'll do the tail tip first. There we go. And then finally this one here. And that completes issue 100 of the Altaya Megazord build. So we've made a good start on the Tyrannozord tail there. Any questions or comments, please drop them in the comment box below and we'll get to them as soon as we're able to. Otherwise, we'll see you next time for issue 100 for the Altaya Megazord build. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.